Barbie dolls. I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. Right now, I have no makeup and I'm wearing a DIY shirt. I'm doing another DIY. Yay! Today I am changing this part of wall a little bit. I already have like cute decal here, but the bottom part is kind of plain. So I want to make this part super cute.
As always, I pick a couple different Barbie sketches from the calendar. And I cut out. Put some masking tape for borders. I think I'm getting better for doing this. And start painting. First, I used the paint roller, but actually it was such a small area, so I ended up with using foam brush instead of roller, and it was way easier. Peel the masking tape off. Now it looks perfect borders. Here I have a clear sticker sheet. Cut this clear sheet slightly bigger than actual Barbie sketch. Now the paint is dry, so we can decide the position for Barbie. Put some glue on the back, then put on the wall. And I need to cover with the clear sticker sheet, which I already cut out. Use the scraper to remove all bubbles out. This DIY is super cute but still easy. I totally recommend. Ta-da! Now I got a cute Barbie wall.
Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video. Subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have a fantastic Barbie day. Bye!